Thanks, Warren. I mean, we're going to talk about some of our favorites. You mentioned Solid Explorer earlier. Why do you like Solid Explorer?
Now, so Solid Explorer, and the reason why I like Solid Explorer, it has support for like FTP and all kinds of stuff. And also, it happens to be the very first ones that kind of understands how scope storage works. And so, if you're looking for a good file management, that is the one to go for. And it's not free. It gives you like a 14-day trial. And after that, then you can buy it. I think it's either $2.99 or $3.99. I don't remember. But that's one of the reasons why I like File Explorer. I mean, a
Is that
solid
a
File
lifetime
Explorer.
subscription or it's like an annual
No, that's
subscription?
just a one-time payment.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That sounds good, and it's certainly always highly rated in the charts if you look up file managers. I quite like Total Commander, which has been around a long time. It's a solid app. It's highly customizable. I think they're a bit conscious of bloatware. So if you wanted to do certain things, you have to install plugins which are from the Play Store, so you're not sideloading anything. But for instance, if you want to add a third-party service to Total Recorder, like OneDrive, like Dropbox, like Google Drive, you need to install the relevant plugin. I guess if you don't have all of those services, you might quite reasonably not want that functionality in the app. But like Solid Explorer, that supports FTP, secure FTP over SSH. It'll support network shares. You can send files to people over Wi-Fi, regardless of what device they have, as long as it has a browser. And it'll zip files as well as unzip them. So that's a nice free option. It will tell you it has ads. It doesn't. That's just the way it interprets the plugins folder. But if you want a free, powerful, albeit a little bit fiddly option, then Total Commander is what I enjoy using. Mariam, what have you settled on now you've fallen out with Files by Google?
So I'm using right now Explorer. It's a really highly customizable files manager, and it gives you also some really advanced things if you actually want to, change some settings regarding what do you want, and also the sorting if you want to sort folders, sort audio files, and some things like that. It's actually really amazing. You can also zip and unzip files and share via Wi-Fi, as well as create a text files through the app. It's cool.
That sounds good too. Is that free?
Yes, it's free. Completely free, actually.
Yeah. And Austin, what are you using?
I use the default OnePlus file manager. It's very simplistic. Not much features, but it comes with the phone and it gets you done if you have some basic requirements.
Does the job.
That sounds good.